That is, the other D is regular drive. The D with the O around it is overdrive.
What is overdrive?
Overdrive is mainly for use on the highways and stuff. It helps save gas, but we'll just leave it in overdrive for now. Okay, you can start letting off the brake and let the car go. Just remember, the big fat one is the brake.
I'm afraid I'll run over Matthew.
No, the wheels are turned, so you're going to start out by turning.
Oh my god.
There's a car coming. Hold on.
Stop me.
You're alright. Alright. You should be good to go now.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared.
Yeah, I don't think there's too many 12-year-olds driving Corvettes these days.
I'm so freaking scared.
There's really nothing to be scared about. Just remember that when you go to hit the gas, which you're going to have to do because the car's slowing down,
Yeah.
you got to just be gentle on the gas. You're going to have to hit the gas.
Okay, just a little
Just
bit?
be gentle on the gas. It doesn't take much to make this thing tear off. There you go. There you go. You're fine.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Just remember, the other one's the brake, so when you need to slow down, you get your foot back on that brake.
This is so cool. Well, yeah, he's...
12-year-old daughter driving a Vette. Now, if you want, you can go between these cars if you think you can handle it. You're alright. Slow down when you come in between them and try to circle around this black car. Start slowing down and turn your wheels. Go around the black car. Yeah, maybe we shouldn't drive over here. There's wood and nails and all kinds of crap over here.
I'll just like circle.
These tires are $400 a piece.
Matt's just laying there like... Oh my god.
Hit the gas a little bit. There you go. There you go.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Just remember, when you come up to this intersection, slow it down in case any cars try to whip in here.
Oh gosh, that was scary.
I told you, it doesn't take much. This car will move. She's fast.
It goes faster than the Miata.
It's a lot faster than Miata. This car will go 167 miles an hour. That's why I got rid of the Miata. No, you're not going that fast.
How fast am I going?
14. Stay away from this wood and stuff. There you go.
I was going like 20 miles an hour one night in the Miata.
Yeah, but you got to remember this car is bigger than the Miata, so it's not as easy to. The Miata's so small, it makes it real easy to drive.
That was funny. I'm so scared. Hey, at least I feel wind. That means I'm going swimming. I wish there was like cornfields like there in Illinois. I could just like ride around them. And around
I wish I wasn't so
them.
nervous about getting out of the car. I'd get out and record you, but
Man, I want you to.
yeah.
Why don't I just stay up here?
Why don't you let Matt do some recording? I'll tell you what. I'll let you do it. No, I can't. I can't get out of the car. I can't.
Why?
It's bad because it's bad enough I'm letting you drive. If I get out of the car, it's just going to be a lot worse.
I won't go fast.
Yeah, I know, but okay. I'll tell you what. I'll let you.
You're going to?
You listen here.
Okay.
I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to start a new one. Don't go past those cars.
Okay.
None of them, and don't you go fast.
Okay. Hey, can Matt come in with me?
No.
Okay. Yeah, probably. Okay, yeah.
Okay, yeah, Matt can come with you.
Matt, you can come.
Say goodbye to the camera.